Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art, bringing you another video. Okay, first off, I want to show you my painting from my last video. It is the circle Dutch pour, dried really nice. Colors are beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to varnish it or resin. So if anybody's interested in it, my information is down below in the descriptions. You can contact me before I do anything, and if you'd rather have it resined or varnished, let me know beforehand and I'll do whatever you would like. So there's that. Put that back and on with the next. So today I'm working on a 12 by 24 canvas, and I am a pour pot. Goodness, here I go again. A fluid art artist, and today I'm going to be working with blues mostly. I'm going to be doing like a sky background because I want to put hot air balloons on it. So I'm going to be working with Art Minds Persian Blue, and this is Art Minds Tahitian Blue, Deco Art Cobalt Teal Hue, Artist Loft Aquamarine Blue. Those are my colors, and I'm going to be using some white. So I'm just going to be putting down the blues and hopefully be able to manipulate them pretty good to make it look like a sky. I hope. Give them a stir up here. I'm just going to be putting some down and trying to make them all, make it look like a sky, hopefully. So I want hot air balloons starting down and then going up. So the sky will be all the way down. The whole canvas will be sky. The last time I used this, I could not say cobalt for anything. Got all tongue twisted. And I wanted all blue with some white in it for cloud-like. Because I want it to be a nice, bright, sunshiny, blue sky-like. No dark clouds or anything in it. So I'm going to try and use mostly all blues. Let's just get it all together here and then we'll go from there. I wish I had better swiping or manipulating tools, but I haven't found any that I really like. They all leave kind of dry patches. not be a very long video today. Let's stick out of the way there. Try not to get my hand back in it when I go back across. Something in the paint, I think. Get that out. Oh, need to wipe my handle off. It's getting kind of slippery. Some darker color down here, not too much. Don't want too dark of a sky. Keep it light and airy. Light and pretty. Can always get the sides afterwards. Run it down a little bit. Now I want to put some white in. Have some clouds. This little one, move them around a little bit just to simulate to have some white clouds maybe moving around a little bit. This is my favorite tool to work with. It's a little bitty one. I don't know why, but I really like it. It doesn't get stuck too much and really works pretty well. All right. Well, I think that looks pretty good, actually. I hope you all enjoyed this. It was a pretty short video, I think. I'm going to clean up the sides after the fact here. I hope you all subscribe to my channel. and I hope you like this. I'll show you all the finished product when I get it done. Share with your family and friends. Please leave me a comment if you so desire. Tell me what you think of what I'm doing. If you have any questions or if you want anything specifically done, all my information's at the bottom of my video. And thank you for watching. And as always, please have a great day.